Personalized advertising boosts ROI by increasing ad relevance, but Google restricts specific sensitive categories to protect user privacy. In this video, you'll learn which restricted categories impact your performance and how to fix policy violations if your ads are flagged. First, let's look at sensitive interest categories. This covers a broad range of topics, including health, alcohol, gambling, politics, sexual content, relationship hardships, and religious beliefs. If your content falls into any of these groups, you face specific targeting restrictions. For sensitive categories, you can use predefined Google audiences, such as in-market segments, affinity, demographics, life events, location targeting, and custom segments. These automatically exclude sensitive user signals, but you cannot use advertiser-curated audiences. This includes customer match, your data segments, audience expansion, or lookalike segments for these products. Access to opportunities categories, US and Canada only. If you are targeting the US or Canada for housing, employment, or consumer finance, you cannot target based on gender, age, parental status, marital status, or zip codes. However, you can target geographic locations using city, country, or radius targeting, provided the radius is at least 1 kilometer. Data collection requirements. You are not allowed to run ads that collect personally identifiable information, PII, like emails or phone numbers directly within the ad, unless using an ad format provided by Google that's designed for that purpose. Fixing policy violations. If your ad is flagged, you have 3 options to fix it. 1. Edit your ad targeting. Remove advertiser-curated audiences from targeting settings of your ad. 2. Edit or remove content. Remove content that falls within the policy from your ad, site, or app. 3. Appeal the policy decision. If you believe there's an error, appeal the decision directly from your Google Ads account. For the complete list of sensitive interest categories and access to opportunities categories, please visit support.google.com.